What's going on, folks? Hope you guys are all out there doing well, all that good stuff. So anyway, I'm making this video right here real quick just to let you guys know how you were trying to ask me how do you get to Patreon, to my Instagram, etc., etc. So I'm getting ready to show you guys a simple way of how to do this, okay? So even though I know I'm just saying, look, I'm just being honest with y'all. There's a lot of people on here that are the older generation here. Like, I have no idea what you mean when you say link in the description. So I email you guys a lot, letting you guys all know what link in the description mean. But I'm giving you a simpler way in how to find me on Patreon, Instagram, etc. Okay, so just bear with me on this. Okay, try to get through this video real quick. So let's just say, for example, if you come to my channel, this is what you should see, right? Most of you see this right here. Okay, now what you would do to go onto Patreon, what you would do, see my mouse, you would go right over here. See these little icons? There go Twitter, there go Patreon, there go my other YouTube channel, and there goes Instagram, right? Hopefully they can get a Rumble one in here. But let's just say, for instance, Patreon. When you click on this little icon right here, it brings you right here to my Patreon channel. Now look at these different tiers right here. See this? Select the membership level. All these different tiers have different perks, okay? Now, as you can see, the $3 tier sold out, the $5 tier sold out, and they all tell you what these different tiers, what the perks are. So with the $1 one right here, it's just pretty much saying that you just get a 5% on merchandise, 5% discount on the merchandise from off of Teespring. That's who I'm through. Okay, but then also right here, this $3 tier is one song is what they're getting. It's $3 a month and they pay for one song request, and after that they just continue to just support the channel with the $3, so $36 a year. The $5 one, the tier right here, is sold out as well. I give them a shout out and I get them their song request, and they get a 5% discount on merchandise. Now the $10 one right here, it says there's 3 remaining right now. As we do this video, there's 3 remaining right now. You get everything from the previous tier and a 15% discount, but you get your one song request a month as well. Then we got the $20 tier right here, where you can get this mug right here. They got my icon on it, but then on the other side of that mug, it says just saying, because you guys know me for that. Or it might say yada yada peanut butter, depending on which one you tell me that you want. I send that to you guys. So as you see right here, one song per month, your name is mentioned as a requester, a coffee mug sent to your address from me. And that's optional. Some of y'all don't want that. Some of y'all do. So the cup can just have my icon on it with my logo, but then it'll also say on one side, just saying, or it'll say yada yada peanut butter. It all depends on what y'all want. Now, my $30 tier right here, which is going to change up as of right now, it's a one-time signed canvas right here. There's 2 remaining. I send you this canvas with my signature on it with a personal message on there. And that's what I do for that one. But then also each one of these tiers, the $20 and $30, they come with the previous one too. You know, that it has the benefits of the previous tiers, which, you know, y'all see what I'm getting at. So yeah, the $30 tier, it does get the signed canvas, but then also, like within a month or so, you do get the mug as well. Now the $50 tier right here is a 1 song a month, and you get to come and hang out in general conversations once a month in the live session. So in other words, when I'm doing a live video, you will be here with me talking. People can hear you. Whatever subject we're talking about, you can be talking about that along with me while we're doing the live video. Okay. Now, also you have the option of actually recording yourself, telling me what song that you want to do. Okay. So let's just say right now, I'll give you an example right now. If I placed this $50 tier and I'm going to request my song, it will go something like this. Let's say if I press record button, if I'm the requester, I'm the patron, I'm the requester. I'm just trying to have y'all follow me. If I'm the requester, I will go, hey, what's going on, Ty? Hope you're all well. Hope everything is going well with you, Ty. So this month, the song that I'm picking is such and such. And the reason why I picked this song, because I remember going out with this guy, or I remember going out with this girl. We were having a nice time. We did X, Y, Z, and it just brings like fond memories. And that guy or the girl actually is my husband right now. So I chose this song because it's one of our favorite songs, da 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 da. And I would like to say hi to all the subscribers out there and all the MRMIs out there, which if y'all don't know, that stands for Modern Renaissance Man Insomniacs. And God bless you all, blah, 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 blah. And hope you guys enjoy it. Just like that. So that's what the $50 tier is for. Now, some people don't like to be recorded at all. That's completely fine. Some people just pledge there because they just support the channel that way. But at the same time, this one comes with the mug as well. Okay. Now, what I like you guys to do, and what a lot of people don't do, is you have to remind me if you did not get your perk that comes with it, because I need to get that out to you guys. Okay. So that's how you get to Patreon. Y'all have any other questions? You shouldn't, because I explained this to a T. Now, this $1 tier right here It says 293 remaining. You're paying $12 a month just to say, hey, I support you. That's just $1. If you do, great. If you don't, great, folks. I'm just letting y'all know this is how you can get onto my Patreon. Now, let's leave out of this. That was Patreon, okay? Let's say you're back to my channel right here. Here is my other channel, MRM Ministry. When you click on that icon right there it is right there. All you got to do is go over to this little button right here and hit subscribe, okay? That's how you get to my MRM Ministry channel, okay? Now, let's see. That's not it. I'm going to take you guys back to this channel. And here is Twitter. Again, if you're looking at this page right now, okay, you just go over here to Twitter and you click on it. It's going to take you straight to my Twitter. Wow. That is not right. I need to put a new one up there. It's going to say @TheRealTySmith. I just want to let y'all know that. Okay. Now over here is the icon for Instagram again. Okay. Click on Instagram. Boom. There it is. That's how you can follow me on Instagram. Okay. So I'm going to make sure I get this little Twitter thing redone, but that's how you would do it. You would just go on Twitter. You can follow me there. So hopefully, folks, that can clear some things up for you guys. And oh, yeah, I forgot. I can go ahead and do this right now. When you see things that says link in the description, okay? When you see things that say links are in the description, let's say, for example, this video right here. The links in the description means you will scroll down to where this right here says show more. See that? It says show more. Here are the links right here. And this is not supposed to be up here because I don't have no mask on here anymore. So anyway, there's the PayPal. There's the Cash App. There's the Patreon. What you can do, you just highlight it like this, right? Or like, let's just say PayPal. You highlight it like this, highlight it, right click on your mouse and go to PayPal. That's how you can get there. Just like that. If y'all have any more questions about these links in the description or anything like that, let me know. But like I said, this should have kind of cleared it up for y'all a little bit here. So anyway, folks, I just wanted to make this short video right there. I will be making another video to show people how to navigate through my channel. Apparently, you guys like it when you see me down in that bottom corner or whatever like that, and I'm explaining things versus just seeing a voiceover. So I'll be doing it for you. So again, folks, that's how you can do it right there. For you that possibly are going to join Patreon, whether you do the $1 tier, $2 tier, $3, whatever. Appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. Also, you can find some more of the merch. Oh, let me not do this yet, y'all. I got to show y'all this too. On, let's say, on any of these videos, it should have been down here in the bottom for things to be showing up, which is strange. That is really weird, guys. There should be some stuff showing about, there should be some things on here for Teespring. And it's not showing. Wow. There it is. There it is right there. Okay, so like you guys are seeing this right here. When you go into like, you know, this video right here, it says breaking news, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, my point is that you should see it down here like this. See how it has the Truth Knows No Color, got the Uncle Tom cup, got the Just Saying cup, got the MRM cup. This is what this shirt right here looks on the front. That's my icon. It got an MRM, but on the back of the shirt, you will see it like that where it says Truth Knows No Color. So let me show y'all real quick. I just clicked on it and there it is. See that? Truth Knows No Color. And on the front, MRM. That's right there. That's my logo. I wanted to where I can just put my logo right here in the front, whatever like that. But a lot of people like that like that because that's like a side shot of my head. And as you wear it, people will see it. They'll pretty much say, what is MRM? And you'll just let them know what the channel is about. So that's there right there. And I get out of this again. Let's say y'all asked about the Uncle Tom cup. So we're going to see how many of y'all really wanted one. Here's the Uncle Tom cup right here. And it looks like that on both sides. Boom, boom. Now, I don't know why they won't let me design to where I can put it on the front like how this one is right here. But I guess if I had it like this, you know, I don't know how. Larry Elder sent me this. So that's how, I don't know how they got it on the front, but that would be cool. Maybe that can be something I can suggest to Teespring. But again, you on the page, you can see it like this. And these are the things right here that you can see. Most of them should be advertised just like this. So just want to throw that in there real quick because I found it. And like I said, let me know if y'all have any more questions or anything like that, even if y'all have any ideas of what I should do, because I am going to be working on my MRM Ministry channel where I'm going to be doing a Patreon for that channel too, where we will be able to do some one-on-one Zoom counseling. Now, I know everybody will want to jump on that, but I'm trying to work on how to put all those specifics together. It might just be one tier where we would be doing one-on-one counseling where I'm probably going to only be able to do like 30 minutes with you. I'm just saying, because a lot of people are going to want to do that. Okay. But that's something else that's in the works right now. So anyway, folks, let me know if y'all have any other ideas that y'all think I should add to Patreon. I'm open to constructive criticism, etc., etc. Let me know if y'all have any ideas for t-shirts. Leave those in the comment section. I really want to hear from you guys because I'm doing this for you. Whatever you want, I can try to get it out there for you guys. If you have ideas, again, like for the patron and what I can do, I'm working on doing a counseling thing where we're doing some one-on-one. I'm working on getting new t-shirts out there, different things like that of the sort, okay? So let me know. Let me know. I'm doing this for y'all. I want to do this for y'all, but leave it in the comments below after this video, all right? I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, hoping and praying that every last one of you have food, shelter, and clothing, and most of all, I hope and pray every last one of you guys are in great health, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. God bless you all through Jesus. What's going on, everybody? So, hey, check this out. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view these videos. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also right here is where you can catch the next video, the latest video that I've done. But like right up here, this is stuff that I've done kind of in the past. So in this area, you might find a video that I've done in the past. It can be funny, it can be something serious. It does not matter. But this is something that you can also do to check out more material that I do in my channel, because I do a lot in this channel, all right? So again, appreciate everything from you guys. Keep on watching it, keep on supporting it, and God bless you all.